Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install the PayPal application on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First of all, open up the App Store on your iPhone or iPad's home screen. In the search bar inside the App Store, type down PayPal. Once you search for PayPal, you will see this PayPal Send Manage Pay application from PayPal Inc. Tap on the Get or the Cloud icon located at the top right underneath your PayPal application. Now, the download process will begin. You might need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to confirm the download and wait for a few minutes. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while downloading the app, and once it is done, tap on Open to open PayPal directly on your iPhone or iPads. So there you have it. That's how you download the official PayPal app on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more safe and simple tech tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.